Much as weightlifting or sprinting can assist a baseball pitcher in throwing explosively, so too can freefall writing assist a young writer in becoming an excellent author of fiction or nonfiction texts. The freefall writing approach can aid you in finding your stride as a writer. It is similar to skydiving. One is given a writing prompt that can be likened to a parachute pack. When you freefall write, you jump right into writing without any planning. Much like when someone jumps from a plane, there is uncertainty as to whether or not the parachute pack, or in this case the writing, will result in a successful landing. Immediately putting pencil to paper with little thought about structure and content can be exhilarating and freeing. Freefall writing promotes writing stamina, as well as post-writing reflection. Students are given a 30-minute block in which to freefall write. Rather than applying all 3 steps of our proofreading plan as I typically instruct after every sentence, they're only to apply OPP after the entire 30-minute block has been completed. Students and I have co-created the following freefall writing graphic organizer available for download on my website. Students are asked to record the title, not forgetting capitals, of the initial prompt provided to them. They are then to write as much as they can about that topic until they feel uninspired. Should they feel uninspired, they can then select a topic of their own choosing, writing and centering a new title and repeating the process beneath it. Altogether, students are given 30 minutes to freefall write. Students are asked to use the following post-writing reflection questions to analyze their work. Rather than applying the 3 steps of our proofreading plan after every sentence they write, they're asked to simply OPP after completion of their entire freefall writing block. Students are asked to reflect and think about whether they were able to continuously write with few pauses in between. Were they inspired by the initial writing concept? Is the energy even throughout all of the writing pieces? Or do they run out of energy in spots? Do they have juicy adjectives and adverbs? Do they use their senses, include dialogue where applicable, perhaps include similes and metaphors? Is there a balance between telling and showing for the audience? And lastly, is there something within this writing exercise that they would want to polish and publish in the future? Don't forget that our freefall writing website has a variety of tips and tools and writing prompts for primary age students to utilize.